Hello everyone, in that short video I will explain how to change your location in case and you're stuck with the issue where you cannot install the application from Play Market because of the region issue. So in my case I moved to Canada and my Play Market blocked the ability to install the banking application, and that's how I resolved it. First of all, you'll need to take your laptop. Mobile device will not help you. In that case, from laptop you'll need to open the main Google page. From here you'll need to go to manage your Google account menu. Here you will need to go to payments and subscriptions and tap manage payment methods. In Google Payment Center you'll need to delete all payment methods that you are having from your original country, all your visas and credit cards. And if you have the new one from your new country, please add them here. In addresses, you will need to delete your old addresses and add the new one from your new country. And in settings, you have such thing that's called payment profile, and for changing the payment profile you will need to go down and select country and region. When you will tap the pencil icon, here you will need to tap create new profile. So in that case you will create actually additional payment profile with your relevant actual address in your new country, but the old payment profile also will remain. So in order to prevent conflicts, the old payment profile you'll need to delete. So how can you do that? So in my case, in the upper right corner I had this drop-down menu with the options to select my payment profile. Now I don't have it, as you can see. So whenever you select your old profile, please scroll down to the down of the page and tap close payment profile. So that's how you will stay with only one profile configured to your new country. I heard that there is an option to select some of the profiles as your main profile. I'm not sure how you can do that, so you will need to Google on it by yourself. And also don't forget, as you will delete your old profile, select the new one. You will see some sort of checkbox. Don't forget to select the new one as your main payment profile. After you will finish, you will be able to enter the Play Market and to install the application that was unavailable before. Thank you.